Alright, FEC train number 202. We got an Alaskan leading. This fool! Look at this fool! Look at this fool! Look at this fool! Dog, your death sentence would have been right there. I'm swearing, the idiots that we encountered down here in Lake Worth. Please don't be one of them. Your life would have ended right there. Hey, look, it's 103. No, yes it is. Hey, thanks for the way! Hey, 142 and 430. Long and forward. Good looking train and good looking power. Big boxcar. Huh. All 202 is. It's just a big, large rock train. Yeah, that's basically all he is, a big rock train, that's it. And with a few cement hoppers in there, cement tubs. DOT passing me at 414, BBT 609 here at milepost 307 on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202. Look, listen, and live. And be mindful of the trains.